So now guys, we will going to work with our shop page. Just click on shop. Now you guys can see our shop page is looking very weird. It is not looking like what we have shown you in the promo video. Okay, so you have to make some changes here. So it's again very easy. Just go to your WordPress website, just go to your appearance and click on widgets. So now guys, if you want to make changes here, so we have to now use the WooCommerce sidebar option. So here we have to add different things which we can show at very top. For example, let's go and search here for product search. Okay, just select this option, select WooCommerce sidebar, click on add widget. Now you can see that product search has been added. Click on done. Now if you will refresh your website, you will see the search bar here. You can see you have seen the search bar here. Okay, so similarly whatever you will going to add inside WooCommerce sidebar, all those will going to display here. Okay, so now you can also add this filter product by price. Just select WooCommerce sidebar, click on add widget, click on done. You can also add product category. Just select this option, select WooCommerce sidebar, click on add widget, click on done. Also what you guys can do, just click here, untick this one, show hierarchy, and then click on save because we don't want to show it. Then click on done. Now you guys can add this filter product by attributes. Okay, so just select WooCommerce sidebar, click on add widget, and from attributes make it to add color, and here you can add filter by color like this. Click on save, then just click on done. Similarly, just again add filter product by attributes, click on WooCommerce sidebar, click on add widget. Now this time from attribute you have to select size, and here filter by you have to write size, then click on save, then click on done. So now guys, whatever you want you can add it to the WooCommerce sidebar, so it will all going to display here. You can also add this product tag cloud, select WooCommerce sidebar, click on add widget, click on done. Now you have to just refresh your website. Now friends, you can see the search, filter by price, product categories, filter by color, filter by size. So you know you have only created black and red from this attribute, right, which is this product attribute. So you can even add more, you can even add more size. I've taught you how you can create attributes from this product attribute size. You can add more categories here, you can filter it by size. Okay, so this is the thing we have added to our website. So friends, in this way we have done the shop page customization. Okay, now guys, we will going to work with our blog page customization. Just click on blogs, and now you can see this is how our blog page will going to look. So whenever you will going to post any new blog to your website, it will going to show here. We will going to tell everything about blogging, and we will going to provide you resources for blogging at very end. Okay, but right now you can see we have very unwanted things like recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, blah blah blah. So you can also make changes here. So you will going to get these settings inside main sidebar. So you can see first it is search. So that's the reason. First here we have this blog search, then we have this recent post, then you can see recent post, then we have this recent comments. So here we have this recent comment option. So these are some unwanted things, so you can delete this. For example, meta, just delete it. Just delete archives as well, delete recent comments as well. Also you can just delete this recent post as well. Now friends, you have to add recent post, but we have to add it from Boostify. So you can see at very bottom this attribute that is list the most recent post with post title and thumbnail. So you have to select it, and now you have to select main sidebar, then click on add widget. So now you can see that your this recent post thumbnail has been added. So all your recent posts will going to show at very sidebar. So when we will going to post some blogs in our website, you will be able to see all those things here. Okay, right now do not worry. You can make it to 5, 4, whatever you want. You can make it to center. That is great. And you can also add one more thing, that is tag cloud. So just search, it will be here and there. Okay, so this is the tag cloud. So just select this, select main sidebar, click on add widget. So now you have done all the necessary things which we have to need for our blogging, and now you can just refresh your website. So now you can see we have this recent post option. First we have search, and right now one post is showing with no image, but as I said, when we will going to add some images and blogs, all will going to display here. So when you will post some blogs, so it will look very beautiful. Right now do not worry, then just go to your home page. So you can also click here to go to home page. You can also click on your logo to go to your home page. Okay, now friends, we will going to do some final customization for our overall website. So that is very important part. So you can just click on this customize at very top. You guys will going to see after you will log in inside your website. Just go to your website, then you will see this option here. Also when you will go to your WordPress dashboard, so from appearance, from customize, you can also go to the same option. Okay, so it's totally up to you. So just click on this customize at very top. So after you will open this, so we will going to discuss each and everything one by one. So just go to site identity first of all. Then from here you can select logo, which will going to show here. Okay, so just go here, let's upload one business logo. So I will upload my logo, which is this one. Then click on select, click on skip cropping. So now you can see logo will look like this. So from this logo width you have to adjust your logo, so you can increase it, decrease it, it's totally up to you. So 67 is good for me. So according to your logo, just increase and decrease the size of the logo from here. So after you will do this, you can select site icon. So site icon will going to show when someone will going to visit your website. So let me just put my logo itself. So whatever logo you will going to put for your website, try to put that same logo here. So you can see when you will open your tab, so at very top your logo will going to show. Okay, so this is the site icon, or we can say site favicon. Then click on crop image. So now you have added successfully your favicon. Just click on publish, just go back. Now just go to layouts, then just go to site container. Now you can see the background color, which is this white color. You can change it according to your requirements. For example, if you want to make your site background black color, so you can choose black from here, but I'm good with this white color. So now here we don't have to actually do anything. So just go back. From here, just select top bar. Now what is top bar? So top bar is this top section. Okay, so after you will come here, just go to design. First of all, from this space make it to 25. So now here also you can show whatever you guys want to actually, or you can even make it to 15 as well. Now friends, you can see the background color, which is black. Okay, so you can even change it if you want to. For example, I can choose to blue and make the color little bit less. Okay, like this. And whatever color you want to go with, you can go with that color. Just go to general. So now you can put any text here or in left side. So left will going to display here. If you will type set in center, so it will going to display in center. So you can write free, like I have written free shipping on orders over $50. Okay, so this is what you can even write on your website. Just go to designs. If you want, you can even adjust the size. So I guess 2 will be good for me, so I will go with 2. Okay, so whatever you guys want, you can go with that option, no problem. So now guys, in general also you can add your phone number, support emails and everything. So it's totally up to you. Then just click on publish, go back. Now we have normal header. So we have only one option, that is header layout. So now friends, in free you will only going to get one layout. It's totally okay my friends. Now you can just decrease it. For example, if you decrease it, menu breakpoint, so it will look something like this. So I will suggest do not do any changes in menu breakout. Now what is elements? Now for example, I don't want to show this shopping cart icon, so I can just disable it. So you will see how this will going to go. Okay, so this is the elements. So I will suggest do not do anything here. It's totally okay, up to the mark. Then just go back. But also one more thing, if you want to change the header background color, so from here you guys can change it. Right now it is white, so you can make it to black or any color you want, but white is great. Then just go to header transparent. Now friends, we have this enable transparent header. So if you will switch it on, so it will going to make the header transparent. So let me show you how it will going to look. So now you can see this is how it will going to look. So it's totally up to you. If you want to enable it, you can. It's totally on your choice. Of course, with the help of Elementor, you can do some further customization. You can bring this text down, so it will look far more better. So it's again totally up to you. If you guys want to, you can. But I will disable it for now. Just go back. Then just go to page header. Now guys, I will suggest to avoid this page header, because it will going to show your page title at very top, so it will look very weird. Okay, so just ignore this. Now you can go to blog, and now you can change the blog layout to this first one. This will look very great. Now friends, you can see the blog list structure. So from here, if you don't want people to show your blog title, so you can just disable it like this. But I will highly suggest don't do anything here. Okay, just go back. Now directly go to sidebar. Now friends, when you will go to shop, from here just go to shop. Right now you can see these options are showing in right, so you can also make it to left. How? From here, and from here you guys can make it to left sidebar. So you can see this sidebar will going to come to here. Okay, now I guess it is looking far more better. Then click on publish, just go back. Now friends, you have to go to footer. Now you can change the bottom text. So let me show you. This is how it is looking right now. Copyright @ 2021 Bing Commerce powered by Boostify. So I don't want to show this powered by Boostify. Just remove it. Now it is looking very great. Okay, now friends, from here you guys can even change the design of the footer. Right now you can see background is of this color, so even you can change the background color. You can change the link color. So right now you can see this is the link color we are seeing right now. You can even change the link color, text color, heading color. So you can see right now this is the heading color, so even you can change the heading color. You can decrease and increase the space as well. Okay, so make it to 23 is good for me. So now whatever options you want, you can go with that option and just come back. Now you don't have to do anything here, just go to scroll to top. Now what is this scroll to top option actually means? You can see at very bottom right side we have this button or icon. So this is called as scroll to top. So when you will click here, you will directly go to top of your website. So for this purpose we use this scroll to top. You can even disable it, you can even design it. So for example, I want the icon size to be 25 for example. So now it is looking great. You can change the background color of this scroll to top icon. So whatever you want, you can go with that option. Just click on publish, then go back. So now just go back once more, then just go to color. So now comes the theme color. So you can see right now it is selected theme color as a dark blue color. You can change the theme color of your overall website. So right now it is dark blue, so even you can change it. So I will choose it to ADC9. So this is the color I will going to choose. So right now you can see we have this light blue here. If you will go to home page, now we have all the theme color as our home page color. So now you can see this color is same as this color. Okay, even you can change the top color. We have told you how you can do that. So you can change the parent menu color or everything. So right now I will just publish it, then just go back. Now you have to go to buttons. Now you can even change the button color. If you will go to home shop, if you will go to your shop page, so right now you can see it is still showing dark blue, so just change it. So now you can see this button color has also changed to this light blue color. Okay, then just click on publish, then just go back. Now friends, just go to color. I have forgotten one thing. You can see the text color. So now you can see it is in this color, which is very light, so it is looking very weird. So you can change it. So you can change it from this text color. So guys, you can change the color. So I will choose 474747. So now you can see it will going to give you some dark color. So that is very great. So now everything is done. Click on publish. You can go back. Now just directly go to WooCommerce because we don't have to do any settings in typography. Just go to WooCommerce, select store notice. Now friends, what notice you want to give to your potential customers when they will come to your website. So right now you can see it is by default written here. If you will enable it, so you will see that your website will going to show this text, which is this is demo store for testing purpose. Okay, so you can just edit this thing, and whatever you want to show to your potential customers when they visit your website, you can write that text here, so your potential customers will going to see this thing. Okay, now just disable it, just go back, just go to product catalog. Now guys, actually here we don't have to do anything. Just go back, just go to product image. Now the thumbnail of the image is 1:1. We have to make it some custom. So here I can make it to 3:4. So now you can see friends, my images are looking great. So according to your store, just select the ratio for your image. So 3:4 is very good ratio for my website. Okay, then just click on publish. Now friends, just go back. Now just go to checkout. Now you can see that sticky place order button, very great. So this is how your checkout will going to look like for your store. You can also enable these two options. Now you can see with the help of multi-step checkout, your customers can see they first have to put the billing details, then delivery, then payment. And we also have enabled distraction free checkout. So if you will disable it, so your potential customers can see lots of links in the checkout. So guys, this is kind of distraction for your potential customers. When they will come to this checkout page, they can go to somewhere else also. So to avoid this, we have to enable this distraction free checkout. This will going to help you to have good conversion or good sales for your website. So just publish it, go back. Now go to shop archive. Just go to your website. First of all, click on your logo, then just go to your shop page. So now here you can do many things, like if you don't want to show shop title, you can just disable it. If you don't want to show the product filtering, so product filtering is this one. So if you want to disable it, you can disable it. Product card, product content, you don't have to do anything here. Product image. So now you can see the product image is selected as hover swap effect. Okay, so now you can see when I will select this image, so some other image will going to show, but you can also choose zoom. So what will going to happen if you will hover on any of the product, it will going to zoom in, zoom out. Like for example, if I will hover here, so you can see the product had zoom out. You can see like this. Okay. Now sales tag. So you can see the sales tag here, which is this minus 50% offer. You can even change it. You can change the color. So for example, I can make it to red. You can increase the border radius of this tag. You can make the sales to square, so it will become square. So it's totally up to you. Then you have this out of stock label. So when your products will be out of stock, so your potential customers will going to see that this product is out of stock. Okay. Then wish list button. So right now you can see the wish list will going to show here. So you can also make it to bottom, so it will going to show the wish list at this bottom right like this. Okay, but I will make it to default. So whatever option you want, you can go with that option. So you can go with this, you can also go with this. So it's totally up to you. Then last is add to cart button. So how you want your add to cart button. So for example, if your potential customers will hover here, so they can see the add to cart. So for example, if you will select this, so add to cart will going to show here directly. You can also make it to this icon. So here at very top, it will going to show here button. You can see add to cart button. You can change the color of this add to cart from here. So right now I will make it to this second one. Okay, and there's nothing to do, just click on publish and just go back, then go to product single. Now friends, here you have to select any of the products. So for example, let me select this product. Now you can see we have to change lots of settings from here. So just go to generals. If you want to disable anything, you can disable it. For example, breadcrumb is this one, product navigation is this one, previous product. If you do not want to show this stock label like this one, so you can disable these things from here. So for example, if you will disable breadcrumb, so this breadcrumb will go, but I will suggest make everything by default. It's totally up to you. Then you can make the content background. So right now you can make it to white. Let me make it to pure white, right? Pure white. So you can see right now it is in pure white, so it is great. Then you can also put one trust badge image. So I have also provided you this image. Here you can see save checkout. Just select this image, choose this image. So you can see this image will going to show here. Okay. Then we have this product image. So you can show different gallery layouts. So right now these galleries are showing here. You can show them here. So it will show at bottom. You can also show it in this way. So all your images will going to show like this. So it is looking very amazing as well. Okay, so it's totally up to you, whatever you want, but I will go with first one. Then here you guys do not need to do anything, just go back. Now just select cart page. So now friends, we have almost done all the settings. You don't have to do anything in the cart. Okay, so we have done almost all the settings. We have done menus, widgets, all the homepage settings and everything. Just click on publish and then click on this cross button. So now friends, we have done all the settings for our website. Also, we have completed overall customization of our website as well. So now you guys are fully knowledge about how to customize and how to build your website. If you don't like anything, you can just customize it. I have told you each and every settings. Now you are 100% know in which area you will going to get which feature. You can even use Elementor to design this homepage if you want to do some further customizations. Okay, so it's totally up to you.